In this video, I am going to show you how to fix audio echo on CapCut. This should be a quick and easy process. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First, put your clip on the timeline like this. Then right-click it and click on Extract Audio. This will extract the audio that has echo from your clip. After that, click on the audio and go to the Basic tab. Then click on Normalize loudness. You can also enhance the voice by enabling the Voice Enhance option. Adjust the intensity based on your preference. After that, click on Reduce Noise to minimize background noise and echo. This will help reduce unwanted sounds in your timeline. Now play the clip and you will notice the voice sounds clearer. This was a quick and easy process. As always, thank you for watching.